की खूब और का बातें से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakhrdop ying jongpi.
Ka samla Aishwariya Malang kelayo Phong ya ka Pansngiat Miss Jaiñtia Queen arajar posau kula penlong hagasin ke bening kong daga kli yong riang Social and Cultural Club hagakat atrik urusau arajar posau District Library Auditorium Jowai. Kajim penlong ya ka digeran sane kop thei bhabriu kolong kumsi benta ban penmi pisa nagbenta bente ke yeng dorbar jongesnong kli yong riang. Haga diga jiyo ko belasa kilang do menteri ketena jungok kai perthei ubak polling do kumu kongsan berubah pasmon dekhar kumu sembut kongsan kasamna dora chua daw kala job yaga kedan ga baar ba kasamna epida umban kala job yaga kedan ga balai
ya ka Kli Yong Riang Social and Cultural Club keba the initiate ya kani the first edition of the Miss Jaiñtia Queen rekat ka Jingtumu, orang Dadburak, very noble initiative, noble intent, but done no like a jom ka cultural hall, community hall, nak pentak ke jom kam, jom ka club, jom ke Shillong di Barak Way. Ngamlong nongway show hangi hametong, namar mental ni jangan ipoika hangi pada ngelaju saat aku kena school aku pun winter vacation di hangi juai lawan nak bos support mentar senam kini kita program kepaal juga hadirin juga wedding club but mesno when beni di samla sama hari jom kita Shillong Gilanan Pai sisi kita long creative, but kita yarap ini, but ini develop ya karakter kita jumlah berjumlah. Aishwariya Contestants EPO di stage, makwa pentemau, ya kini dua kan jingong. Maka authority apa beauty is more than skin deep. Beauty is more than skin deep. Kemudian apa piyat akan dia ram, akan dia pageant, pintemau ini, bahkan jin bhabriu, jin ipenat, kamde tangke ke pemilih syafar. The real meaning jom ke beauty belum it has to come from within, it has to come from inside. The inner beauty ke belum permanent. The external beauty, outer beauty, kebapau syafar kene tambat kerta. Dari kejilong bersisa ke inner beauty, how brio kedai keba yaisa tu bat kebrio hadu lapangan ni asla jadi kebetai. Yang aku ingin remind ini kata berbuat apa kita ke inner beauty kata ke jilong kata ke inner beauty jadi ke reflect haki gam jadi haki kentir jadi haki habits jadi haki jilong jadi di kerana syukur ekopor ini kita jadi nak bentar ke entertainment, fun and excitement nam tajuk pilih way nak syukur kenal lang ini bah kejing tenang. Beauty begins in the mind. Take care of your thoughts, for your thoughts will turn into your words. Take care of your words, for your words will turn into your actions. Take care of your actions, for your actions will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits, for your habits will turn into your character. Take care of your character, for your character will turn into your destiny. Wish pun buat kipok yang dijangkit kepada terkejut skotenat entertainment, buat kamtam kepada uplift ya kini ke Shillong, ya kini ke Thani, kini ke district, buat ya STD Barak.
contestants. For Jaiñtia for contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, Jaiñtia. Sama beromong yang dikaki yang bertanda contestant Gopal Liza Lely Sheila has a different story to tell. Chivalry was to both beautify the wearer and serve as the talisman of power. He was believed to provide the power, protection, good luck, or guidance through the afterlife and could ward off and luck or evil out. And this, she said, wearing this dress makes her feel like royalty. Just like the noble woman of ancient Egypt, I feel confident, elegant, and connected to history. I'm so happy I got to create something so special. I'm Pansngiat. Sampai hati yang ini perempuan dan mendapat sebuah kata Barisha Malang